We're here in Mammoth Cove, and we are climbing up mountains.
I'm the king of the mountain. It's a lot harder than you think. I'm the king of the mountain.
You better get your ass down from there. Alright, you gotta go. Colton won't listen. Colton won't listen.
It's harder than you think to climb up these rocks because they're slippery, and you have to get a good grip. That's why we have these hiking boots on, and these jeans on. Because if you slip, you're gonna just scrape up your knees and stuff. It's harder to get up than get down. But the scary thing is, people they have fell down and haven't made it out. But some people have survived. Some people have survived falling off of mountains, but most people they don't survive it. And you have to be cautious of where you're going and which rock to step on and which rock is loose and which rock is stuck in the ground. Like this one, it's stuck in. But in this one, it's not. So you just have to be careful and go slow of where you're going.
Like this one's moving, but it's still into the ground.
But look,
Just try to climb down. I'll start.
like that,
Climb down backwards. Grab it.
it's moving.
Grab.
That little
Right
thing,
there, right here.
one mistake
Come down right here.
could cause
Step here.
a serious bad injury.
Yep. Just grab every crack.
It could cause a rock slide.
Your way down.
Yeah.
Step down here.
Like-
Yep, you got it.
This little rock
Yep. Now reach
could
this crack here.
make all, like if these weren't all stuck in the ground, it could make a whole entire rock slide.
Yep.
It
Just
could make
this
all
little
these
rock
rocks
could
just
do that.
collapse.
This little rock could
Don't
do
jump.
that. You never want to climb trees over rocks, like especially over mountain rocks,
Coming down, Mr.
and especially if you're in the mountains, you do not want to climb trees. Because if you fall down from the tree, you're probably going to bust your head open. Like, look, if I were to step on this rock, it would have just fell over and could have made rock slide. But
Could have made those rocks fall in here.
we're not going to try and make a rock slide today.
Who could climb with Dale?
We're not going to ever try and make a rock slide.
Ow.
And sometimes you want to stick.
I am.
You want to stick to
I
the ground in the mountain,
I showed the bee ghost ride.
Why?
so that way you like, in case if you slip, you still can like dig into the ground and hold on.
Balance.
And balance.
Not a deal.
Please stop right now.
It's an avalanche.
You could pick up that one.
But
No, I couldn't.
that it's a loose rock. I just picked that up with what? It's not sturdy. I can literally. It's not sturdy.
Again, like up here. Like go off and
This rock is sturdy. Can't move it. Ow, ow.
this rock?
And yeah, have to be careful of where you're jumping. So that way it doesn't
This rock,
cause
not sturdy. Oh no!
rocks to tumble.
Oh no! Look, I'm
The
gonna
rocks
rock.
tumble like this. This could cause a whole mountain to go down. You see?
Yeah, like that one's not good at all. Yeah, and look at the one. They don't really cause any damage except a little tiny rock.
See, and you don't want to be throwing rocks in
Yeah.
mountains because it could make one loose, like a big one loose, and then it will just
Like that. It could broke. It could make a whole mountain rock loose.
yeah, like that
And
one.
then that mountain rock would slide off the mountain. And then collapse.
What I'm just
And
trying to
hit
get
other
at is look before you leap and make sure where
Yeah, like